Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because guys, as you can clearly see right now on the chart, we moved since yesterday with a very boring sideways movement, and right now it seems that in the last couple hours we have took some direction to the downside. But guys, on this video I'm going to actually tell you all the potential scenarios that can play out on this current situation, because as you can clearly see, the situation of the Bitcoin guys right now is extremely bearish. Technically we are extremely bearish, but we should pay focus guys on the SP 500, which closed the Friday with this insane pump to the upside, which most of the times guys Bitcoin is following the SP 500 movement, and right now we had some bullish action on the SP 500, but Bitcoin guys broke this symmetrical triangle to the downside with this free fall. So guys, on this video I'm going to analyze you all the potential scenarios in the short term, mid term, and also for the long term. So if you would like to know all these things guys, all you have to do is to stay tuned until the end of the video. Before jumping to more analysis, let's smash 100 likes on this video, because with this way you are helping me so much to continue this journey with your very simple process of daily like, daily comments, sharing with your friends, sharing your social media. You're actually helping me so much and appreciate you for this help, support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone, and let's dive straight to the 4-hour time frame to begin our analysis, because guys we have lots of interesting things to declare and to cover out, of course. So initially we're gonna start with the technicals, because as you can clearly see guys, in this symmetrical triangle we broke this massive support area of $23,250, and also we broke guys the very strong support area of the $22,800. And if you remember on my previous videos, I spoke about that if this $22,800 support area break, we're gonna experience a free fall, and you're gonna clearly see guys the free fall happened. Of course it was very insanely free fall. We had in the crypto market guys over 250 million longs liquidated, and you're gonna clearly see guys that this kind of candle was big trouble for most of the people on the crypto space, because they had crazy long positions, and right now after this massive candle they got wrecked very badly. So right now after this insane free fall that happened, we can consider this as a pole, okay, because afterwards we moved in a sideways movement. So guys, this is a potential bear flag, because if we count this as a pole, and actually the momentum that we had here as a flag, you're gonna clearly see here that we moving into a bear flag. And guys, all I'm expecting to see is actually to break this massive support area of the $22,150, which actually this support area. And guys, if we're gonna break it with a confirmation, then we're gonna start moving into the price target of this bear flag. So guys, right now I'm gonna implement every technical price target that we have from the patterns, because you're gonna clearly see that this symmetrical triangle didn't accomplish 100% the technical price target. This symmetrical triangle guys has a technical price target at $21,500 area, and also this guys bear flag has a technical price target back to a level of $20,500, which also if we actually zoom out, you're gonna notice that those two support areas are very strong for the Bitcoin, and we had analyzed that. I believe personally that we're gonna touch these support areas with a free fall. If those support areas gonna break, then we're gonna get to the next one with a free fall, okay, because those are the strongest parts, and I believe that on those parts we're gonna have some very strong time to break it. Also, I would like to show you something which is also very important to pay attention, because if we clear a little bit the mess, you're gonna notice that we also have a very important and critical support area, which is this one. Okay, it's exactly this support area, which is the $22,000, and if we're gonna break guys this $22,000 area, then all this upstream movement gonna be destroyed, and we're gonna start probably a downtrend movement back to all these areas. So this is why it's so critical, and most people believe that there is a big potential scenario to see a reversal here and jump back to $27,000. And they spoke about this scenario, guys, because the SP 500 closed on Friday above $4,049. As you can clearly see, we closed with an insane pump to the upside the Friday night. So this is supposed to actually make the Bitcoin pump to the upside, but Bitcoin, guys, did this massive free fall. So guys, the scenarios right now are three. Okay, there is a potential scenario, guys, to move with a sideways movement until Sunday night, and actually until the markets open for the Dixie and SP 500. Because guys, if the markets open and SP 500 do a reversal to the downside, then Bitcoin are gonna confirm this kind of a very bad scenario, and we're gonna see all these technicals, this technical price target being accomplished. We're gonna first break the $22,000 area. We're gonna get straight to the $21,500 area, probably some consolidation for a couple hours or a couple days, and then another breakout to the downside. And with that way, we're gonna start moving into downtrend movement. And I believe, guys, that this downtrend movement gonna lead us back to the worst case scenario for the crypto market, which is for me is the 12,000 within $16,000 area. Okay, because if you remember, guys, on my weekly time frame, I believe personally that we're gonna follow this path. Okay, I believe, as you can clearly see, we start moving on this way, and I had actually told you that I believe that we're gonna move on this descending broadening wedge, which is very bullish pattern. But I believe first we're gonna touch this support area for the third time, and then we're gonna see this reversal to the upside. Okay, this is exactly how I believe that we're gonna move in the very long term. Okay, probably in the Q4 we're gonna see this kind of reversal to the upside. Okay, guys, so right now we have the scenario which I told you to move sideways. We also have the scenario until the market gonna open on Monday to see a breakout to the downside and move straight with the technicals, because technicals, guys, right now, as I told you, are extremely bearish. We have the EMA rebound bearish on the 4-hour time frame. Also, we had it bearish on the 8-hour time frame, and actually we have, guys, the exponential moving average 50 and 200, which going for a huge flip. And if this flip gonna happen, guys, we're gonna have a very important death cross, which actually gonna smash the Bitcoin price back to very low numbers. I believe, guys, that if this cross gonna happen, because right now we are still on this bullish territory of this exponential moving average, if this death cross gonna happen, I believe not only we're gonna reach the $21,500, but I believe the $20,400 it's gonna be inevitable. Okay, so be very careful, guys. Keep your eyes on the exponential moving average. Also in the daily time frame we have the MACD, which as you can clearly see on the MACD, guys, not only in the 1 day, not in the 2 day, but in the 3 day is bearish. Okay, and this is an indication, guys, that the situation right now is extremely terrible from the technical side. Okay, so these are two scenarios that I told you: the sideways movement that did Monday, and the second is to move through technicals, which is bearish scenario. Okay, and let's say, guys, the last scenario, which also has probabilities to happen. And guys, if we put the 4-hour time frame, you're gonna clearly see that right now Bitcoin is standing at $22,250. So the potential scenario right now is until the market's gonna open to see some slightly pump to the upside, probably back to $23,000 or the $22,800. Okay, basically the $22,800 is more likely scenario to happen to retest the previous support as a resistance, because, guys, we closed the SP 500 with huge pump. Okay, and this is an indication that afterwards we're gonna follow the SP 500. Okay, and if this kind of a pump, guys, gonna happen, do not freak out. It's very normal because SP 500 pumps to the upside, and of course this kind of pump doesn't mean that we're gonna see a further more pump to the upside. There is a potential scenario, guys, on Monday through Friday the next week we're gonna see massive reversal to this one and get straight to a crash. And if this scenario is going to play out, of course we're going to see a crash for the Bitcoin price too. But I believe, guys, stock market is going for a crash inevitably in the next coming months. Q2, Q3 is going to be maximum pain in the stock market and also for the crypto market. That's why I'm expecting, guys, to see a scenario like that. Okay, I don't say that we cannot see a pump to $27,000, but more probabilities I give to see a downtrend movement back to this 12,000 within $60,000 area, and subsequently to see this reversal to the upside. Okay, because also if we're gonna see, guys, the $27,000 pump, which is an insane pump, and all the moon boys believe that we're gonna see until the end of the March pump over $27,000. Guys, for me, if we're gonna still see this scenario, for me, I'm gonna remain bearish because, as you know, as we are below this $30,000 area, which is the previous support area of the bull run, the previous bull market that we had here, it was the strongest support area, which the time that we broke it, we actually announced officially the beginning of the bear market. And that is exactly going to happen with the opposite direction. If we're going to break again the previous support, which right now we're going to retest as a resistance, for me, guys, it's going to be officially the next bull run. As we stay below the previous support, which right now we are retesting it as a resistance, we remain bearish. Okay, guys, that's all, very simply, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This is exactly what I would like to tell you. Follow me on Twitter, guys, because here I'm updating you guys every day about what's happening on the market. So it's really important to follow me on Twitter. And guys, I'm gonna see ya tomorrow with fresh updates. And until tomorrow video, guys, your boy Chris out. Bye.